kitchen. Use Egyptian cooking. Kitchen. Use Egyptian.
Hello everyone. Today already our recipe we go make a chicken liver with very easy way and very fast and make it taste very delicious. We see what we need and we go start it together. First you need to have a pan like that. I have here pomegranate sauce. This in Middle Eastern country a lot, but if you already live in Western country, any Middle Eastern supermarket you can find in it. Okay, you not have it also work. This is extra and make the taste more delicious. I have here 700 gram chicken liver. I have 3 onion. Every quarter 250 gram chicken liver. This is need 1 onion and 1 green pepper. Can be hot and can be not hot also, and can be also 1 paprika, can be work. Everything work. Like that I have 3 quarter, like that I have 3 in everything, like you see here. I have a butter, I have 100 gram mushroom. Also, if you not have it, also this like that, the more necessary thing. This is we make it the taste more higher. Okay, this is the salt. You can do salt like you like. Here with the teaspoon, I have 1 spoon black pepper, 1 spoon paprika, and here 1 spoon onion powder and 1 spoon cumin. This is all our spices, and we have butter here, and can be we use a little bit oil with it. Okay, I go already cut everything, cut the mushroom and come back for you. We go already cook it together and make it very good. Okay, I already cut everything. This is all the pepper, this is all the onion, and also the mushroom I cut it because I have it a small one, I cut it half and half. Now we go with all our butter in. This is something like 2 spoon butter. This is recipe not take time with you. This is you can make it very fast and taste nice. And I think if you make it, you like it. And we do very small oil, like half a spoon, something like that. I go with the onion and the pepper. You feel it this much, but this is go all go down because all the water go out. And we start when this half cooked. I start to go with mushroom with it. This is can take time. I already cook it half and come back for you. Okay, now this is still not exactly half cooking, but I broken the color. You see now, already now a little bit yellowish. Now we go with, if you have a mushroom and you like to do it. I did. Before I go down with the liver, I come show you also, but also I have a warning for you. Never you wash it. The liver, you not wash it with water. Forget. If you wash it with water, you disfilled. Okay, after I cook this all like 70%, 75% cooked, I come back. When it start already look like you see down, like this, we go with all the liver inside. Be careful, I not cut it and not do anything in it. This is exactly like I buy this like that. I leave it for now. When this is start go done, I not do any spices in, not do anything in. Only I cook it with the rest and I come back for you. Okay, this is now half cooked. Normally we not stir a lot because this is go mush. Now already we already halfway. We bring kitchen scissor. We start cut it now. It's too easy. You can cut it like the size you like, because also this is, but when you cut, be careful for the burn because you not crush it down. Like that, to make it like the size you like, because also this is go with you more easy when you cook, and you cook it the end nice. You see, have any big parts, something like that. Done, done, done. You can see this is half cooked. You like after that you make it sandwich. Oh, go taste very nice. You can do inside the sandwich mayonnaise, and just go already test with you. Very good. All the big parts. I still not do any spices in, not do anything in. Any big part, we cut. Because go cooked with us more better. Anything like that. Okay, after this is done, I come back and we start to all our spices, our sauce. I come back for you. Okay, now this is done. See how this look? I close the fire, totally close. My salt. This is the spices, the black pepper with, and also this is the cumin and all the spices we have, we go inside. If you not have this sauce, yeah, also can you do inside garlic. But if you go do this sauce, not do garlic in it. We mix everything like that, and we go with our sauce in like this. Can you come inside the pan, please? Smell very lekker, very delicious. Okay, now we bring one plate. We do it together. Ta-da! And we start. Can do it like this. And also we can do a little like that. This is our recipe today. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish, please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and the like and the bell, and I see you next dish. Bye bye.